Action. You can't forget water. It's so hot outside. It feels like summer in winter. It's windy. Yeah, it's windy. It's like a breeze, land breeze wind, but it doesn't cause many coldness. It's just windy. Outside's so beautiful.
It's beautiful day outside. It's not too cold, not too hot. Oh,
Bye, Fanta. Down there, it's a pretty long walk. We're inside. Hey, yep, we're really inside, guys. Or you guys can't see me. And we're just taking a break. We're gonna go back outside to the beautifulness. And yeah, pretty ladybug.
it's Layla, and first challenge is over here to there.
Starting getting windy. Bruh. Action. Really sunny outside. Let's walk. So guys, we're taking a walk right now. And it's so pretty beautiful. I don't know what to say. I'm so now we need to eat a worm. So we're gonna watch out for worms. No, ants. I keep saying worm for some reason. Shadow. And watch out for some ants. And as you can see, I don't really want to eat a worm. No, ant. Here, eating whatever's on the ground. Can I lick it? No. Yeah. No, she wants me to eat a stick. Okay.
If you want to lick it,
So, look at that. So you take 10 licks, or ants. You take 10 licks or eat it. Oh, 10 licks. Hey,
guys, you guys are so lucky that I was planning to do it for my friends. Yeah.
She licked a wood chip. She took 10 licks of a wood chip because she wanted to jump from my bed. From her bed to my bed. So she said I had to give her a challenge. And yeah, so that's her challenge. Licking 10 licks of a wood chip that's been on the ground. When it snowed, when it rained, when dog pees on that.
No. I just throw up there so you don't want to go there.
Okay.
Not a bad town.
Sir. Lily lollipop. So right now I'm walking with my flip-flops. And we're just gonna try to play Ding Dong Ditch on Mom's house. Okay, we're gonna play Ding Dong Ditch, and yeah. Only to the cars we know, because you guys be like, how do they know if they're home or not? It's because we know, because we live in a parking pass. So, Lucy doesn't want to participate. She took literally so freaking long. So let's come outside. Right now, outside. And I'm going to try doing bottle flipping challenge. With this bottle first. Right there, guys. First, I'm going to close this water shut. So I closed it. Now I'm going to put the camera over here. Okay, so gonna place you guys somewhere. Oh shoot. Okay. So I got. Oh my gosh. So I got the camera ready and set for you guys. Set, I said, and make sure it's closed. Yarn. It's a little bit heavy. Oh my gosh. So at least I tried with my little Raglio bottle. And yo, yeah, at least it's coming now. I just. So guys, if you saw my sister water bottle flipping or whatever she was doing,
What?
sorry, cause she just took my camera without asking. She could ask and I'll say yes, but she just took it without
I've
asking.
called you.
She thought that she could do whatever she wants.